Severe thunderstorm activity. Gale force wind. Flood warnings. Flood watch. Heavy rain. Hazardous surf. And a developing tropical outlook, all ingredients of another severe summer here in Australia. It's Force 13's AU channel, and unfortunately news out of Sydney is not good. They got severely impacted late last night by another severe storm cell, and sadly a 37-year-old male walking near the rocks lost his life due to a missile, and it turned out to be a gas bottle. Police and bystanders attempted CPR, but they weren't successful. However, here's the Bureau's latest 12-hourly rainfall. And more storm activity for New South Wales and Queensland in coming hours. Bureau Meteorology has cancelled the storm warning for the Mid-North Coast, Mid-North Slopes, Plains, Northern Tablelands districts. The Bureau's total forecast of rain. This is a developing picture, and we have a low to form up there in the Gulf of Carpentaria. One location up in the Cape York region recorded over 50 millimetres of rain in under 3 hours last night. Rainfall scales, the right hand side of the screen, and look at the southwest Gulf. You're looking at possibly wet, anything above 400 millimetres. However, we look at the instability from 10 AM through to 2200 hours tomorrow, followed by the storm probability supercell activity. At the time of doing this update, current temperatures: Sydney 24.9, nearly 25, Sydney 16.1, 29.6 here in Brisbane, 22.5 Perth, 17.5 Adelaide, 13.2, cool one down there in Hobart, 17.2 Canberra, and 29.6 Darwin. Maximum temperatures for the capital cities: 34 expected in Darwin, 23 Canberra, 17 Hobart, 23 Adelaide, 34 Perth, 35, a hot one here in Brisbane, 20 in Melbourne, 29 in Sydney. And conditions for the capital city: sunny in Sydney, showers easy Melbourne, possible late shower or storm here in Brisbane, shower or two, possible storm over in Perth, partly cloudy in Adelaide, shower or two Hobart, partly cloudy in Canberra, shower or two, possible storm in Darwin. 80,000 electricity consumers again without power in parts of Sydney. Supercell probabilities, and the information is at the top and bottom of the screens. And shortly we'll have a look at the precipitation and pressure. Each of these images are 3 hourly. It looks like a very clear morning, looking at the live streaming webcam in the background from the Cafe Sydney and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. And it looks like we've got another trough. Let's go to track slightly northeast, and you can tell by the motion when viewing these images. And the 850 millibars wind, or the wind's at that level, and it's the GFS model. In the Bureau of Meteorology, by their tropical cyclone 3-day outlook, a monsoon trough expected to form in the Gulf of Carpentaria as the westerly surge develops through the Arafura Sea over the next couple of days. And a hazardous surf warnings in place for the Illawarra, Batemans and Eden coast. Tropical low is likely to fall within the monsoon trough on Thursday. During the weekend, the tropical low is expected to develop further with an increasing risk of tropical cyclone formation in the Gulf of Carpentaria, and percentages for Wednesday, Thursday remain very low and increase to low on Friday. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre's position on the Invest 96P remains at medium for further development. 93P is now off the radar, and a 96P, which I think is 08F, it continues to struggle. Gale warnings in place for the Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island and upper east coast, and a strong wind warning for the far northwest, central north, lower east and central west coast down there in Tasmania. And here's a look at the accumulated precipitation. It's a GFS model and extracted from the Pivotal Weather website. The information is at the bottom of the screen, and as mentioned, a tropical low likely to form tomorrow up there in the Gulf of Carpentaria, and we will have more later on today, so stay tuned.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.